You have seen the name, you have heard the hype. But this is different. Are you preparing for a coding interview at Google, Meta, Amazon, or any Fortune 500 tech company? Then you already know the drill. The pain of solving countless random LeetCode problems. You open LeetCode, you scroll and scroll and scroll. Hundreds of problems. Where do you even start? The overwhelm is real. And when you do find a solution online, it looks like this. Confusing, inconsistent. You watch the same explanation 5 times and you're still lost. Sounds familiar? I am Peerless Geek, your instructor, and I built something I wish existed when I was grinding interviews. Introducing Blind 75 LeetCode, the animated Aura series. This course delivers 30 plus hours of premium deep dive animated content, breaking down concepts visually. Blind 75 is a curated set of LeetCode problems handpicked to cover the most important coding interview patterns. Master these 75 and you are ready for anything. Stay with me for the next few minutes. I will show you why this is the most visually stunning, deeply structured coding interview prep course on the internet. Let's go. Here is your full roadmap, your complete table of contents. Arrays, strings, linked lists, bit manipulation, matrices, trees, dynamic programming, intervals, tries, graphs, and heap. Every topic. And across all of it, you will master 20 plus algorithmic thinking patterns. Not just solutions, patterns. The mindset to solve problems you have never seen before. Alright, enough talk. Let me bring these concepts to life. Here is a glimpse of the problems and patterns we will master together. We kick things off with arrays, the foundation of everything. Watch binary search come alive as left and right pointers hunt down a target with surgical vigor of log and precision. No more guessing, just clarity. Next up, strings. We animate the stack character by character as it validates the bracket sequences, showing you exactly why the algorithm works, not just that it does work. Now, linked lists. Floyd's cycle detection, the tortoise and the hare animated in full. You will feel the moment the slow and fast pointer meet inside the cycle. Bit manipulation, the secret weapon most candidates sleep on. Ones, zeros, and pure logic animated to make binary click in your brain forever. Matrices, where 2D thinking separates good engineers from great ones. Watch the spiral traversal unfold in real time. Boundaries tightening, indices moving as we peel the grid layer by layer like an onion. You will never forget how it works. Trees, one of the most tested data structures in top-tier interviews. Recursion visualized, with depth values bubbling up through the tree like a wave. You will see recursion, not just read it, and that changes everything. Then, dynamic programming, the topic that makes most people want to quit. Not anymore. We tackle it from 2 angles, 1D and 2D. House trouble. Watch each decision unfold, rob or skip. The table builds itself right before your eyes. Longest common subsequence. A 2D grid fills in as 2 strings are compared cell by cell. You will understand memoization at a gut level. Intervals. Scheduling conflicts and overlap brought to life with a live min heap guiding every room decision. Tries, an underrated yet rewarding data structure. Watch it grow from a single root into a branching tree as words like gas and garlic share common paths. Stunning to watch, even better to understand. Graphs, the boss level. Watch DFS build and unwind as nodes are visited. Then, Pacific Atlantic water flow. 2 DFS searches spread across the grid from 2 oceans, revealing every cell that drains into both. Epic, visual, unforgettable. Last but not the least, heaps or priority queues. Top K frequent elements animated step by step as the heap organizes and the most frequent survives. And here is the thing. Everything you just saw, that is only the tip of the iceberg. Every problem comes with detailed, idiomatic solutions from brute force to optimal in 8 programming languages: Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, Rust, and Kotlin. Pick your language, we have got you. You get an Excel progress tracking sheet, so you can see exactly how far you have come and what is left to conquer. You get a problem statement sheet and summary for every blind 75 problem, so you can review concepts fast without rewatching full videos. You get pattern-based MCQs, because recognizing the pattern is the skill. And you get 5 full mock interviews, timed LeetCode self-tests, so that when the real interview comes, it feels like you have already been there. Okay, still comparing options. Here is how this course stacks up against everything else out there. The difference speaks for itself. Don't just take my word for it. Here is what real students are saying about my courses. If you are serious about mastering coding interviews, this is your course. Blind 75, the animated Aura series. Every pattern, every problem, every language, all in one place. Don't wait to level up your coding skills. Enroll now and start learning immediately. Thank you, and I'm really excited to have you on board.